Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you something about this van here, this Chevy Express cargo van. If you can see, this is the back door, like the back door of the Chevy Express cargo van, and we're gonna look at this this latch here. So sometimes you can come to open this door, and you try to open this latch here like this, see, like that. Try to pull it and the door doesn't open. And sometimes it's very easy to just get in the van and start tearing this panel open, which is held by this you can see what's holding it here, these push things here, you see them. But I'll show you the first place to look at when that latch doesn't open, and it's right here. If you look at right here on top of the door right here, this is where the two doors meet. This door and that door, they meet right here. This right in the middle here, there's this wire here. If you can look at it, this wire here. This wire is supposed to go into this hole here. Hopefully you can see that. So there's a hole right in there, and this wire has a hook. This wire has a hook, and if you put this wire like make sure you can see this. If you put this wire right inside that hole, if you can see the hole here, see that hole right there? That hole right there. So you take this wire, you push it up, and put it right inside that hole. See that? See this mechanism here is the lock to this latch. Down here. So this wire, if you put that wire in the hole, and now you come and open the door, see the door opens. See that? The door opens. But if you unhook the wire here up at the top, the door doesn't open. See? The door doesn't open. So when you see this latch here doesn't open, don't go crazy opening up the panels, the door panel, before looking up here. This is the first thing you should look at. If you see your door is not opening, this is the first thing you should look at. You come here, pull this wire up. And most of the time, the reason the wire is unhooks is because of this plastic thing is broken. You see, that plastic thing keeps the wire tied up in there. But if it's broken like this, it will make the wire come off the hook anytime you close the door. Most of the time, it comes when you close the door. When you bang the door, you're closing the door. You're in a hurry, you close the door. It unhooks. So the thing you need to do is look for that small hole right there. That's before you change this plastic here. Look for that small hole in there. Put the wire in. You can see where we are. We are outside Harry Steeler parking lot. So you put the wire in here in the hole. You need two hands. Put the wire in. You have to pull it up, and the reason it's because I'm not using two hands. But when you're using two hands, it's easier, it's faster. Put the wire in that hole there. Pull it up and put it in the hole there, and the door, it will pull the mechanism up and it will pull this. This is the lock here. This see that on top here. This is the lock. It will pull this lock here. It will push it like that. You see, it will push it like that, and the door will open. See that? That's the lock right there. So anytime you can open this back door, don't go crazy opening the messing up your van and opening all these panels here and having to buy a new these pushing pins here. Take a look up there first. It's nice and easy. Okay, hope this video helps someone, and if you get a chance, subscribe to this video for more videos like this. Hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.